Hello everyone. Today we use angel die to make project. We will use this frame and this praying angel die. This is the angel we have cut. We scrub the paper and make it with art. This will make it is easier to wrap it. We just join them together. It is very easier to make a lantern. Okay, that's done. Let's sort the shape. Let's get a candle light, put it at the bottom. It's just the right size to hold a light. Okay, here the tea light done is very beautiful. Okay, then let's we make an angel card. We need 2 angel paper and this arc window shaped frame. We make mark on paper and we'll cut off extra sides. Okay, we cut the other piece. Then we will paste these two together. Use the paper cutter to make paper thicker. That will be the angel 3-dimensional and better looking. Then we use the blue paper as background. Let's paint with black color. Make the colors seem fit out. Let's speed up. Okay, we now get a background like this. Let's try to combine the card. Pure white is not very nice looking, so let's color the frame with light blue ink around the borders. That seems much better. We need more decoration for the background. Here are acrylic paint. We add water and mix. Then like this way to spray paint on paper card. So there are golden dots on paper like stars on sky. It turned out pretty. Okay, now we layer frame on background. We use foam tape. Stick the frame on this blue background paper. Then paste our angel. Paint color on angel. It makes much beautiful. We use narrow foam tape to stick angel. Okay, looks very pretty card. We draw golden on this light ring. The card almost done. The angel is so beautiful. Then we add greeting words. This is foil transfer sticker. It's very easy to use. Paste sticker on paper card. And tear off the plastic film, then cover foil sheet. We use this golden color foil. Light press the foil, then tear off. Look, the foil transferred. Perfect. We cut it into a tag and stick on card. Where should we paste it to look better? Well, we stick it on the bottom. Okay, let's put another layer below to make the card stronger. Okay, this card done. Here's another one with dark background. They are both beautiful. This is what we just did. NGT light. Okay, here was today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.